Good morning, student. Today my topic, physiological factors determining the component of physical fitness. This topic in chapter number 8, unit 8, physiology and sports. Physiology and sports in topic number 2, physiological factor determining the component of physical fitness. There are various physiological factors that determine the component of physical fitness, such as the strength, speed, endurance, flexibility, etc. The various physiological factors that determining physical fitness are described below. Physical fitness component in a 5 components. Strength, number 1. Number 2 is speed. Number 3, endurance. Number 4, flexibility. And number 5 is a coordination. The 5 component of the physical fitness. Strength, ताकत, शक्ति. Speed, गति, तेजी. Endurance, सहन करना, क्षमता. Flexibility, लचीलापन. और coordination, समन्वयता. These are 5 components of the body. Strength comes from the practice and food. Speed comes practice and continuity. Endurance, regular practice. And flexibility come from the yoga, stretchings, and coordinations. Come the mind and body fitness. These 5 components. But in the topic, physiological factor determining the component of the physical fitness in a 4. Strength, speed, endurance, flexibility. I will try. I will do all fitness. Physical factors determining strength. Physiological factor determining strength. The various physiological factors which determine the strength of an individual are stated below. Number 1, size of muscles. Size of muscles. The strength of the muscles largely depend upon the size of the muscles. It is a well-known fact that bigger and larger muscles can produce. More force. The forces produced by the same size of the muscles in the male and female is approximately same, but male are found to be the stronger because they have the larger and the bigger muscles in comparison of females. With the help of the difference methods of strength training, such as weight training. With the weight training, take the more fitness, more size of the muscles, and take the strength. the size of the muscles can be increased and thereby the strength is improved. So the strength is determined by the size of the muscles. Number 2, body weight. Body weight. It is also a well-known fact that the individuals who are the heavier are generally stronger than the individuals who are the lighter. There is a positive correlations between but weight and strength among international weightlifter. The heavier weightlifter lift heavier weight, so body weight also determine the strength of an individual's body. Yeah, individual. Number 3, muscles compositions. Muscles compositions. Each muscles consists of the basically 2 types of the muscle fiber. Number 1, fast twist fiber. Number 2, slow twist fiber. Fast twist fiber made by the white fibers and the slow twist fiber made by the red fibers. The fast twist fiber are the capable to the contract faster and therefore they can be produce more forces on the other. The slow twist fiber are not capable of contracting faster. Contracting faster, although there are the capable of the contracting for a longer duration. The muscles which have more percentage of the fast twist fiber can produce more strength. The percentage of the fast twist fiber and slow twist fibers is the genetically determined and cannot be changed through trainings. So it can be said that the percentage of these fibers determines the strength of a person. Number 4, intensity of the nerve impulse. Intensity of the nerve impulse muscles is composed of a number of motor units. Okay. The total force of the muscles depend on the number of contracting motors units. Whenever a stronger nerve impulses from central nervous systems excite more number of the motor units, the muscles will contracting more strongly, or it can be said that the muscles will be produce more forces or strength. So the intensity of the nerve impulse also determines the amount of the strength. The 4 point of the strength. Physical factor determining strength. Number one, size of muscles, body weight, muscles composition, and intensity of the nerve impulses. The very important for the exam and practicals. Many times examiner put the questions, what is the determining of the strength. So number one, size of muscles, body weight, muscle compositions, intensity of the nerve impulse. Physiological factor determining speed. The next, physiological factor determining speed. Speed is the next component of the physical fitness, which is determined by the following physical factors. Okay. Determining फिजिकल फैक्टर डिटर्मिनिंग स्पीड्स. स्पीड के कौन कौन से ऐसे फैक्टर्स हैं जो उसको दिखाते हैं कि इसमें स्पीड है. नंबर वन, मोबिलिटी. नंबर वन इज द mobility of the nervous systems. नर्वस सिस्टम का जो है मोबिलिटी होना, उसको चलना, उसका मूवमेंट होना, नर्वस सिस्टम. Our muscles contract and relax at the maximum possible speed as seen in the sprinting events. This rapid contractions and relaxations of the muscles is made possible by the rapid excitations and the inhibitions of the concerned motor centers. This is called the mobility of the nervous systems. The nervous systems can maintain this rapid excitations and inhibitions only for a few seconds, after which the excitations spreads to the neighboring centers, causing tensions in the entire body. This results in decrease in speed. The mobility of the nervous systems can be trained, but only to a limit extension. In fact, speed is determined to a great extent by the genetic factors. Okay. Number two. Number two is the muscles compositions. Same is the muscles compositions. जो मैंने पहले पढ़ाया था, white fibers muscles and red fibers muscles. White fiber muscles is the fast twist fibers muscles, and red fiber muscles slow twist fiber muscles. These are muscles compositions. Muscles compositions with the greater percentage of the fast twist fiber muscles contract with the more speed in the compression to the muscles with the lower percentage of the fast twist fibers. In fact, the muscle compositions is generally determined and cannot be changed by the training. Different muscles of the body have different percentage of the fast twist muscles, so different part of the body have a different speed performance. Okay. Number three, Number 3 is the explosive strength. Explosive strength used in physical education, 100-meter dod, short races, short activities, pole vault, long jump, 100-meter race, used in the explosive strength. What is explosive strength is? For the every quick and the explosive movement, explosive strength in the indispensable for example, indispensable, for example, a quick punch in the boxing cannot be delivered if the boxer lacks explosive strength. Explosive strength further depend on the muscles composition, muscles size and muscles coordinations. It also depends on the metabolism process. Except muscles compositions, the remaining factors can be improved through training, which in turn will improve the speed to a limited extent. The relative proportions of fast twist fiber and slow twist fiber determines, okay, to a large extent, the maximum possible speed with which a muscles can contract. Okay. This proportions of the fiber is the genetical determined this impulses that Tom Sprinter have more percentage of the fast twist fiber, whereas endurance athlete has more percentage of slow twist fiber, red fibers. Okay. Flexibility. Number 4 is the flexibility. Flexibility is a body flexibility, muscle flexibility, vein flexibility, organ flexibility, mind flexibility. All is the composition is the flexibility of the body. Flexibility is very important for the game, working, use the mind and all over. Flexibility also determines the speed to a certain extent. In fact, good flexibility allows maximum range of the movement without much internal resistance. Flexibility also enables complete utilization of the explosive strength. Flexibility used in the explosive strength in the 100-meter races, pole vault, long jump, and everything is game. Okay, 4 is complete, and number 5 is the biochemical reserve and metabolic power. Number 5, for as a biochemical reserve and metabolism power, for maximum speed of the performance, the muscles require more amount of the energy of the very high rate of the consumptions. For the purpose, the phosphagen, adenosine triphosphate, this is ATP, and creatine, CP, stored in the muscle should be enough. If ATP and CP store is less in the contracting muscles, the muscles contractions due to the insufficient energy supply become slow after a short time. The energy supply also depends on the certain enzymes will increase the metabolism power. The amount of the ATP and CP and rate of the energy supply can be enhanced by the training. Therefore, can be said that is a biochemical reserve and metabolism power determine the speed. The 5 point is a complete the speed, determine the speed. They're very important. Speed, strength, flexibility, coordination, endurance, all components, for the all components. So there are the 2 topics: physiological factor determining strength, physiological determining the speed, and the next day I will teach physiological factor determining the endurance, physiological factor determining the flexibility, and physiological factor determining the coordination. So I will prepare for teach the next day classes. So today my topic is complete, but related to this question is very important. The first questions I will start then. In 1 mark questions, what is the flexibility? What is the flexibility? And flexibility definitions write down in the copies. And number 2 questions, state any one physiological factor with the determined flexibility. State any one physiological factor with the determining flexibility. So I teach the today flexibility. In 1 component is the mobility of the nervous system. Number 2, muscle composition, explosive strength. Anyone give the in this questions the answer. Number 3, what do you mean by the cardiac output and what do you mean by the stop volume? And what is the oxygen uptakes and intakes? And some question will come in the future. What do you mean by the oxygen intake and oxygen uptakes? And does joint structure determine the flexibility? Explain in brief. And some question will come. A regular physical activity can delay your aging process. Justifies your answer light of the effect of activity in the physiological changes. And some question will come in the value-based questions. So today I will give you the value-based question in your assignment. This question are: my uncle was facing age-related health problems, easily high blood sugars, obesity, hypertension, etc. I consulted the physical education teacher regarding my uncle problems. And question number 17 in page number 192. So these questions are very important. So today my topic is complete and thank you very much for listening to the topics. But मैं ये देख रहा हूँ आप लोगों को कि मैं वीडियो भी आपको अपलोड कर रहा हूँ, आप वीडियो नहीं देख रहे हैं। आप लोग जो मैं आपको होमवर्क दे रहा हूँ आप उसमें जो है सबमिशन भी नहीं कर रहे हैं। तो मैं इसे क्या समझूं? अगर आप लोगों ने समय पर मेरा होमवर्क सबमिशन नहीं किया तो इन फ्यूचर आपको प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, क्योंकि फिजिकल एजुकेशन का होमवर्क उतना ही जरूरी है करना जितने आपके जो है आपको अपनी परसेंटेज हाई बनानी है। क्योंकि एक फिजिकल एजुकेशन सब्जेक्ट ऐसा है जिसमें 100 में से 100 मार्क्स आ सकते हैं, ऑल इन ग्रुप्स, चाहे वो पीसीएम हो, चाहे वो पीसीबी हो, चाहे वो इकोनॉमिक्स हो, चाहे वो कॉमर्स के स्टूडेंट हो, चाहे वो आर्ट साइड के स्टूडेंट हो। तो इसलिए मैं अभी भी कह रहा हूं कि मेरा होमवर्क जो है समय पे कंप्लीट कीजिए, अन्यथा ऐसा ना हो कि मुझे कोई एक्शन ऐसा लेना पड़े कि मैं आपकी परसेंटेज के हिसाब से आपको फ्यूचर में जो है उसको आपको देखना पड़े, या मुझे आपकी जो है अटेंडेंस के हिसाब से आपके जो है आपका प्रैक्टिकल जो होना है उस पे जो है, क्योंकि अगर प्रैक्टिकल में आप नंबर चाहते हैं तो फिजिकल एजुकेशन का वर्क अटेंडेंस, उसके अटेंडेंस के हिसाब से ही आपको मार्क्स भी इंक्लूड मिल सकते हैं, इंक्लूड हो सकते हैं, ये ध्यान रखना है आपको। अन्यथा नहीं तो फिर जो है क्या इसका नाम, अगर आपकी परसेंटेज हाई नहीं होगी, आपकी परसेंटेज अच्छी नहीं होगी इन फिजिकल एजुकेशन होमवर्क के साथ, तो आपके जो है मैं आपको प्रैक्टिकल में जो है मैं आपको वहीं पे दिखाऊंगा कि आपने कितना होमवर्क किया है, कितनी बार मैंने आपकी अटेंडेंस कंटिन्यू रखी हुई है। आपकी अटेंडेंस में अपने सब्जेक्ट के हिसाब से ले रहा हूं कि कौन से बच्चे ने कितनी बार मेरा होमवर्क किया है। मेरे पास पूरा डेटा सेव है, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त तक पूरी अटेंडेंस जो है फिजिकल एजुकेशन की मेरे अपने डेटा में है, मेरे अपने कंप्यूटर में है। एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच स्टूडेंट, गॉड ब्लेस यू।